What is up, you guys? I'm Jason Arland and welcome back to MyGlamm. What is that one makeup product that you swear by? For me, it's the black kajal. It's my go-to product to intensify or define or just add a little bit of definition anytime, anywhere. So for all you kajal lovers, I present you the Jet Set MyGlamm's eyeliner pencil. This product is much more than just a regular kajal pencil, and it's literally because of the rich pigment that it has in it. The creamy texture makes your blend heaven. It is so easy to blend this product without a hassle that it's unbelievable that you have a kajal pencil that also dries out being semi-matte. You can also achieve a perfect wing and a perfect liner. You can use it on your waterline and tight line it. At the same time, use it for the perfect smoky eyes. The Jet Set Eyes Kajal Eyeliner is enriched with natural antioxidants that smooth and condition while delivering lasting color. So you guys literally have to worry about nothing because the kajal is dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested and approved. The kajal does not irritate your eyes, your lids, or your skin, which means it is also suitable for all sensitive skin. It is also cruelty-free, free of mineral oils, parabens, preservatives, and also animal-derived ingredients. So if you have not found the right kajal that does the job for you, this is it. MyGlamm's Jet Set Eyes Kajal Eyeliner Pencil. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for all the stuff we create for you. Hit it!